have another go at it. Day 3. I probably climbed this thing more times in the last week than a bloody operator. Operator sits over there at the front. Decent country, I suppose. Considering the ground thing stuffs up. Yeah, we're gonna go up there. Well, it's nearly 1 PM. It's 7 degrees. And it's very hot, I tell you that. All the cables on here are 5 kilometres. Okay. Easy work. Still in place. Beautiful. Looking good. Looking good. Look over here, see how this turned out. Still in place, cables haven't moved. Fantastic. It's good to do good work. I think I'll just rest that there if it'll sit there. Well, a lot of smoke. As long as the wind doesn't blow the phone over. Where's that coming into? Garbage truck. Picking up all the empty bins. Now this job is finished. Take away all the rubbish. That's why there's JJ waiting for him to come aboard. This Dragon, as you probably can see and notice, it's 13 years old. I guess that's why we're here, I suppose. Fixing things that weren't fixed in the first place. In there is where all the turbines are. Obviously they're all the turbine exhaust fans. And it's quite a ways down. JJ Richards. And there is the bucket that this machine utilises. It's all rusted out like everything else around here. Well, it ain't operating. had the keys that fits all these padlocks. They're all specialised padlocks which only certain repairs, and because we're not repairing anything in there, we don't have the key. But we have the keys for the other sections of it. Electronics, the brains of the drag line. Probably tell I've been sweating, working so hard in this bloody heat. It's not fun, I tell you. I've lost a few kilos. Could go up there, but there's no reason to. Blimey Charlie, thank God this job is done. Until something else breaks. What's James? Is he finished yet? Yeah, looks like he's probably finished. Alright, well I've done my repair checks. So that's it for me for today. It's now 1:10 and I'm getting ready to go home because it's Friday. And I've had enough of this place. Alright, hope you enjoyed the little tour. Here's a bit of the countryside. All over in the background is all ground that's been mined and all the dirt that's been just dumped all over the place. And over there, if you can see it, nah, it's just out of view. That's where the pump pad is. We repaired that as well. So that's pretty much everything. Big drop down there. And back down again. You should see this thing when it's lit up at night time. They've cut the power to it, so there's no electronics running or operating or working at the moment. Another padlock that we don't have access to because we don't need to go in there. But around here is where the operator sits. A nice little big mirror for himself. I don't know how much you can see in there, but he just sits in there. He's got his little boards and that behind. There's joystick controls with all the buttons on it. Two-way radio. Okay, computer screens. Yeah, it's not a bad little setup, I suppose. Anyway, that's the guided tour. Now I gotta get going. I still have to make tracks back to base, unload that table that's in the back of my ute. I got a right mind to take it home. It'll sit nicely right in my corner. Okay, look at all the sludge that comes out of it. Eh? Yuck. And to think I used to work in that crap 8 months ago. Oh, that's a bit of a drop. Oh. Okay, well that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.